show you how to fix change the touch on Nokia Lumia 520. Okay, let's begin by removing the back cover, the battery. You take the screws out first before you can remove the back case. Next thing we do is it's got little clips on the sides. Just unclip the back so you can hear it. It'll come right out. While working around it, just keep clicking and then make sure the back cover should come off. There you go. Put that on the side. The next thing is you need to move the motherboard. It's got to just two flex together, just holding it. That's the screen, and this one is the touch flex. Just lift it up. Just lift the screen. Just lift the board up. There you go. On the side. And the next thing is you need to remove the screen from the touch. As you can see, my new touch I bought, it's got a little frame inside it, as you can see. I'm not sure if it's clear on the camera, but as you can see, what you want to do is just lift the screen up, and it's got frame itself, so make sure you don't put too much pressure on the screen. As you can see, it just comes right out easy. Make sure you put some safe. And that's it. Pretty much that's it. What you need to do is just remove this chip. And just put it back in the other one. No glue holding it, pretty much that's it. Then just put this one back, same place. And the next thing we need to do is remove this. Make sure you just click on them. The next thing, the motherboard. Make sure it sits down. As you can hear the clips. and just put the flex back on. Next thing, frame. Pretty much that's it. Before you put the screws, let's just test it. The touch is working. Put in the power buttons. Let's just test it. Before you can put all the screws back on. As you can see, the touch is working. Then all you do is just put the screws back in. And pretty much that's it. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.